Feeling tired, bloated, or sluggish? Your liver might be screaming for help. And these foods are the rescue team. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can transform a toxic, fatty, inflamed liver into one that's clean, free from fat, and without scar tissue. And here's the fun part. I'll be sharing 8 different recipes that are not only incredibly tasty, but also super easy to make. The liver-healing compounds in these foods don't just repair your liver, they also help suck away stubborn belly fat. And wait until you see the final recipe. It's going to surprise you. It's a healthy soda that can give your liver an extra boost. Your liver is basically the central hub for so many other organs. Having a fatty liver actually doubles your risk for heart attacks, and when your liver gets overloaded with toxins, it can't detoxify properly. That's when scar tissue builds up, hormone balance gets thrown off, and your health takes a dive. Every smoothie I'm about to show you will start the same way. You'll use 1 cup of water plus 1 cup of ice. Now, let's get right into the first one. Recipe number 1. Spinach plus kiwi. This one's as simple as it gets. Toss in a cup of spinach, or just a small handful if that's what you've got. Spinach is great for calming sugar cravings because it helps with blood sugar control, and it also supports belly fat loss. Pair that with kiwi, and you're getting a mega dose of vitamin C. Depending on how big your kiwis are, add 2 or 3. Kiwi is one of the top vitamin C-rich foods on the planet and has natural compounds that shield your liver from damage. When you combine spinach and kiwi, you give your liver a serious repair boost. Add a little squeeze of lemon or lime if you like, blend it all together, and drink up. Recipe number 2. Spinach plus grapefruit. For this one, we'll stick with spinach but pair it with grapefruit. Grapefruit has this cool ability to make your cells more sensitive to insulin, which helps keep blood sugar balanced. And remember, we're making smoothies here, not juice, so we're keeping all that fiber. Add a small handful of spinach, about a cup, and 1 grapefruit. Grapefruit also improves bile flow from the liver, which helps break down fats and flush toxins out through your bile ducts. I like to throw in half a lemon or a bit of lime juice too. Blend and enjoy. Recipe number 3. Kale plus pomegranate. Kale is part of the cruciferous vegetable family, which gives it extra detox powers. It's also an excellent anti-inflammatory for the liver. Pomegranate works hand in hand here by reducing liver inflammation and preventing fat buildup inside the liver. Put them together and you stimulate one of the body's strongest antioxidants. For an extra health punch, add a tablespoon of flaxseed. It's rich in plant-based omega-3s, which also help fight inflammation. Recipe number 4. Papaya. This one's as easy as blending a cup of chopped papaya with water and a few ice cubes. Papaya is packed with enzymes that help digestion and reduce inflammation in the liver. If you want to level it up, sprinkle in a pinch of Himalayan pink salt for added electrolytes. Recipe number 5. Celery plus blueberries. Add 1 cup of chopped celery to 1 cup of blueberries. Celery helps stimulate bile production, so it's great for detoxing the liver and calming inflammation. It also offsets some of the effects of junk food. Not that you ever eat junk food, of course. Blueberries reduce liver fat and help pull excess iron from the body, which is important because too much iron can damage the liver over time. If you really want to supercharge this smoothie, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to help with bile flow. A sluggish bile flow can cause pain in your right shoulder, up into your neck, or even in your back. Recipe number 6. Cucumber plus lemon. Use 1 cup of chopped cucumber and 1 cup of lemon, peeled of course. Cucumbers are super hydrating, rich in electrolytes, and great for liver detox. There's research suggesting cucumbers may help prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Lemon, like other citrus fruits, boosts the liver's detox processes. You can also add a slice of fresh ginger for an extra kick. Recipe number 7. Avocado plus strawberries. Blend 1 cup of chopped avocado with 1 cup of strawberries, water, and ice. Avocados are full of antioxidants and have repair properties for liver tissue. Strawberries boost overall liver function, help with fat metabolism, and support detox. Notice the pattern here. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with antioxidants, exactly what the liver needs. Unfortunately, a lot of modern diets lack these foods, which makes the liver more vulnerable to damage. Recipe number 8. Coconut plus papaya. This one's delicious. Coconut contains lauric acid, which supports the immune system and fights viruses. It's also rich in MCT fats, which convert into ketones, a low-stress fuel for the liver. Combined with papaya's enzymes and antioxidants, this smoothie helps reduce both inflammation and scarring in the liver. Sprinkle in a little cinnamon to help with blood sugar balance. Now, all these smoothies are powerful for liver health, but I saved the coolest recipe for last. This one comes from Dr. William Davis, author of Super Gut and Wheat Belly, and it's basically a probiotic soda. Here's how it works. You take your choice of fruit juice, orange, apple, grapefruit, pomegranate, cranberry, and add a special probiotic that's actually a friendly fungus. This little microbe will ferment the juice and eat up its sugar over about 72 hours, turning it into a tangy, fizzy drink. Pour your juice into a jar. Add the contents of 1 capsule of Floristore. You can find it at Walmart or most drugstores. Look for the strain CNCM I745 and cover the jar with cheesecloth or a paper towel secured with a rubber band. Don't seal it with a lid. The CO2 from fermentation will build up and cause it to burst. Leave it on your kitchen counter for 72 hours. When it's ready, it won't taste overly sweet anymore. It'll be lightly carbonated, almost like a healthy soda. Pop it in the fridge and enjoy. It's fantastic for your gut, helps control diarrhea, and can even reduce small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. So, there you go. 8 powerful smoothies and 1 probiotic soda to give your liver the care it deserves. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button.